Hey guys, I went to McDonald's to get their Squishmallow Happy Meal again, so let's see which one I get today. So for your reference, this is the one I got last time, super cute. I think this one is called Sunny, so let's see which one I get today. By the way, cannot believe there are some people who already got all of them and are selling them on eBay for like 50 bucks. Let me know if you would be interested to buy that. Okay, so look how cute the box is. Again, for your reference, this is what I got today. I got like the same thing that I got last time, but I got a quarter pounder because I love quarter pounders with cheese. And then I got a bottle of water to be somewhat healthy. And then I got the 4-piece chicken McNugget, and then it comes with like the mini fries. And I just get the quarter pounder because I'm an adult and I need to eat a heftier meal. Okay, so this is a Squishmallow, and then also included are apple slices. So that's a Happy Meal. Okay, now it's time to unbox this. And this thing is like really hard to open. So you have to, okay. Which one I want to get? Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. Which one? What's this one called? This one is Cam. So it says Cam loves to jump in and out of boxes. Who doesn't? He also enjoys going to the beach with his friends and taking cat naps. And in some relaxing music for the perfect. Oh, add in some relaxing music for the perfect mix. But this one's so cute. So this is my collection so far. I'm just going to go slow and steady and gradually collect them all. I don't know how those people did it on eBay, but this is my collection so far.